Hey everyone, my name is Katie, and welcome to our yoga sessions for sleep. Yoga has all kinds of amazing benefits, but it can be really helpful to help calm our minds and relax our bodies before sleep. I'm going to lead us through a seated flow that is designed to help move your spine and help you settle into bed. So all you need for this practice is yourself, your yoga mat, and let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to first get started with some breathing exercises, also known as Pranayama. So we're going to start with one hand on belly, one hand on our chest. If it's comfortable for you, go ahead, gently close your eyes or just soften them and gaze towards your nose. Taking a few moments to breathe the natural rhythm of your breath. Evening out your inhales and your exhales. We're going to move into Viloma Breathing, where we break our inhales into two pieces and then exhale everything out in one go. So take a deep inhale through your nose to help get started. An audible exhale out the mouth. Inhale one half. Inhale fully. Audible exhale out the mouth. Inhale one half. Inhale fully. And exhale it all out. Inhale one half. Inhale fully. Audible exhale out the mouth. Two more like that. Inhale halfway. Inhale fully. Let it all go. Inhale halfway. Inhale fully. And exhale everything out. Go ahead, find the natural rhythm of your breath. Inhales and exhales. And then whenever you are ready, if your eyes were closed, gently open them here. And then bring your hands towards your lap. And we'll move into seated cat-cows. On your next inhale, I want you to pull onto your knees, puff up your chest, arching into your spine, cow pose. And then as you exhale, we're gonna start rounding into the spine. Imagine you're pushing your knees, bringing your chin towards your chest. Inhale, move into cow pose, pulling on your knees, allowing your chest to pull through, maybe gazing up at the ceiling. Exhale, round into the spine, pushing away, chin towards your chest. Do a few more like this. Inhale through the nose, pull through your chest, looking up at the ceiling. Exhale, round into the spine, cat pose. Inhale, pull into your chest, cow pose. Maybe pulling, opening your chest a little bit more. And then exhale as you push away, rounding into the spine, chin towards your chest. Now go ahead, continue to do this breath with movement. And maybe add a little bit of rotation in your spine. Maybe going in a few counterclockwise motions, clockwise motions. The intention here is to move your spine fluid, and really feel like you can find movement in here. Go ahead, take a couple more rounds wherever you are, finding some balance and evenness in the spine, and then find some stillness here. We're gonna take our left hand, we're gonna plant it towards our left hip and reach our right arm up overhead. And then as you exhale, we're gonna reach the right arm overhead, reaching towards the left side of the room. We're finding a stretch and length on an entire right side body here. As you inhale, maybe reach up a little bit more. And then as you exhale, maybe finding a little bit more depth. If you like to intensify the pose a little bit, you can try to bring your gaze up towards the ceiling. Or maybe even bring your hand behind your head as if you're cradling it. And then kind of feel like pulling or pushing your head towards your elbow. Just a couple more breaths here. On your next inhale, we're gonna reach our right arm up and then just switch your side. So right hand just by our hip, reaching the left arm up and overhead. As you exhale, we're gonna reach the left arm over towards the right side of the room. Again, feeling a stretch on the entire left side body here. Inhales helps you find a little bit more reach. Exhales, a little bit more depth. If you did so on the right side and you want to intensify the pose, you can try bringing your gaze up towards the ceiling or bring your hand cradling your head and then pulling the head towards your elbow. One more breath here. Inhale, we'll come back through center, reaching on up, bringing our hands down. We're gonna move into a seated twist now. So left hand's gonna be on our right knee, right arm right behind our right hip. Take a deep inhale, find length in the spine, reaching the crown of the head towards the ceiling. And as you exhale, we're gonna twist on over towards the right. Gentle twist here. No need to go super deep. But maybe you can bring your gaze towards the back of the room. Inhales helps you find length in the spine. And then as you exhale, maybe finding a little bit deeper of a twist. One more breath here. As you inhale, we're gonna release, coming back through center and then just switch our sides. So right hand is on our left knee, left hand behind our left hip. Inhale. Helps you find a length into the spine, reach the crown of your head towards the ceiling. And as you exhale, we'll find our twist. Inhales helps you find length. Exhales helps you find your twist. Maybe gazing over your left shoulder. Inhale, we're gonna come back through center. And now we're gonna rotate over towards the long side of the mat. Extend your right leg out and then bring your left foot into the inner lining of your right leg. Take a deep inhale, we're gonna reach our arms up overhead. And as you exhale, we're gonna start hinging at our hip, melting on over our right leg. Now, if this is intense for you or you can't reach your toes, bend into that right knee as much as you need to and make a connection with your chest towards your thigh. Settling into the pose. And maybe as you feel comfortable or as you start to open up, you can start to slide your heel out a little bit further. And using your breath to help settle in and calm your mind. One more breath here. On your next inhale, we'll rise on up and switch your side. So this time our left leg is out long. We're gonna bring our right foot to the inner lining of our left leg. Inhale, we're gonna reach our arms up. And as we exhale, we're gonna melt on over, hinging at our hip over the left leg. Again, if this is intense for you, bend into that left knee as much as you would like to help make a connection with your chest towards your thigh. Taking a few breaths here. And if it feels comfortable, then you can start to slide your heel out just a little bit as your body begins to settle in. One last breath here. Then release. Slowly rise on up. This time we do have both legs out in front of us. Again, if this is intense, feel free to bend into the knees. We're gonna reach our arms up overhead, and now we're gonna melt on over both of our legs. So feel like you're cascading like a waterfall over your legs, reaching for your feet as best as you can. Find length in the spine, and then find your depth. Take a note of where your breath is. Are you able to find equalness in your inhales and your exhales? One more breath here. And then slowly release. Coming back to an upright position. And then slowly, with control, with as much ease as possible, finding ourselves laying on our back into Shavasana. Feel free to shimmy a little bit, finding the most comfortable position in your Shavasana. Legs out long, arms to your side, palms shining up. Take a deep inhale through your nose. And long exhale out the nose. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Take all the time you need in the Shavasana. I encourage you to stay here for as long as it serves you. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you have a beautiful sleep.